a versatile screwdriver set from Wera, perfect for all professionals and hobbyists. The ergonomic multi-component Kraftform handle assures precise work. The set contains following screwdrivers: 2 Phillips, 2 Pozidriv, and 3 slotted screwdrivers with a laser tip technology that prevents the tips of the screwdrivers from slipping out of screw heads. 2 VDE slotted screwdrivers that ensure safe working with loads up to 1000 volts AC, 2 slotted chisel driver for fastening, chiseling or loosening screws. It features integrated impact cap at the back of the handle as well as a hex bolster at the top of the handle for greater torque transmission. You also get a single pole phase tester. All screwdrivers, except of the chisel drivers, are marked at the back of the handle according to Take It Easy color code. The set comes with a convenient rack that can be mounted onto a wall and helps with tools organization. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME, you need it, we have it.